Welcome back to Just Doing Nails. In today's video, we're going to look at Makartt's Pink Polygel Kit. Hi, welcome back to Just Doing Nails, and let's go ahead and just get straight into this unboxing. This is Makartt's Pink Polygel Kit. I did review their blue polygel kit as well, and I'll leave that video there up in the right hand corner for you guys. Alright, this first color here is clear, and it is 831. The next color that's in this kit is 832, and it's like a light pink color. If you're new here, remember to subscribe to Just Doing Nails and hit that like button for me if you're enjoying my content. Alright, there's 833. You guys also remember to hit that notification bell for me. That notification bell will show up on the right side of that subscribe button after you've pressed subscribe. And that last color was just a darker pink. This kit also comes with a nail surface cleanser, but most people know this as a slip solution. I personally know it as a slip solution. That's what I usually hear it described as. It also comes with a 100-180 grit file. And so now I have a pink file. Yay! I love pink, of course. If you've seen any of my videos, I mean, you know that by now. There's a base and top coat in this kit as well, and I'm going to show you a little bit later how you can use this base coat to help your application with this polygel go smoother. So here is the brush / picker. I've heard most people describe it as a spatula, so here is the spatula side, and then on the other side we have the brush. Alright, let's look underneath here. So underneath we have some instructions, and I always like to remind people, please read your instructions. Even if you've tried a product from the company before, exactly like the one you have right now, it's always important to give it a once over, see if they have any new like suggestions or Q&As, frequently asked questions. Just read them just to make sure you're staying safe. This kit also came with dual forms, and I love how they put them in this container and just organize them for me. I love, love, love that. When companies do that and just take that extra step, I love that. So I'm just giving you guys a close-up of the biggest and smallest one of the dual forms. There are plenty of videos on how to use the dual forms, but I will not go into that today. I am just swatching these colors for you guys. Right now, what you see me doing, I'm just labeling my swatches. I always like to advise people to just grab you a label maker. If you do nails a lot and you swatch colors a lot, it will help you stay organized. You also make sure you want to grab a dapping dish. You can find these at your local beauty supply store. They're very cheap. Right here, I'm going to show you the comparison of the size of these tubes to your standard nail clippers. So as you see, they will be a little bit smaller because we won't count the cap and the bottom. They'll be a little bit smaller than your standard nail clippers. Okay, first I'm going to make sure I have my slip solution ready. So I'm just going to pour that in my dapping dish. Make sure you always put these caps on here very tight. There's like no real seal on these caps. I'm going to show you guys how to burp your brush. So you'll just put it in there. Can you see those bubbles? I always like to recommend burp your brush, clean it off before you start using it, especially if you have a new brush. This first color is the clear color. We're going to take a look at it, and they do come sealed, which is always a good sign, right? All right, here it is. I mean, not much to reveal except for that it's clear, and there's nothing in it. It just looks very smooth. You guys, let me know if you use polygel a lot or if you prefer acrylic. I really like to know. Go ahead and leave me a comment down below and let me know what you prefer. Do you even prefer dip powder instead? There's so many options out here. I'm still kind of struggling with how to maneuver this polygel around. So that's still a bit of a learning curve for me, because it definitely does look easy to do, but once you start working with it, and all polygels are different too as well, depending on what company that you get it from. And you guys, all these products I'm using in this video, I will link them for you in the description below if you're interested in them. So if you made it this far and you're enjoying my content, please remember to hit that subscribe button for me and that notification bell. So I'm gonna cure it first for 60 seconds. And I want you guys to kind of hear it, how it sounds after 60 seconds. And I decided to cure it again for another 60 seconds. And it sounded much firmer after that additional 60 seconds. So I would say 2 minutes would be good. You can decide how much you want to do. There's that first color, A34. Next, we'll look at pink. Yay, that's what we came for, right? The pink colors. All right, this one is very beautiful. It's like a, I don't know what to really compare it to. I don't know. It's just like a pink jelly type of color. And this one, I could automatically tell from the stiffness of the clear one to this one, it gave a little more give. I don't know if you can see it kind of falling down with gravity. So that means it will be a little bit easier to work with versus the clear one, which was a bit stiff. So off bat, I didn't have that much issue even putting it on the swatch, and I didn't have that much issue with spreading it around. So the darker pigments always seem easier to work with to me. And I'm gonna cure it for 60 seconds, of course. And there's that color, A32. Oh, gorgeous. It's more of a like see-through kind of pink. And I did have to add more slip solution. So you guys, you will go through the slip solution really fast. Another option you can use is a 91% isopropyl alcohol. And that's very easy to find. So this next color, oh my gosh. Okay, I love this pink. This is like a bubblegum color pink. And it's almost has like a pastel-y look to it as well. Looking gorgeous. Let me know which of these colors you really liked. There that is. I think this one is my favorite color. Actually, I know this one is my favorite color out of this kit. I love it. It's just very straight to the point. It's like, hey, I'm pink. I'm not like translucent, or I'm not a jelly type color. I'm just pink. Yeah. All right, so I'm going to show you guys how to use this base coat as a slip solution. And I found this out from a fellow YouTuber which great idea. I love it. I don't know who really actually came up with this idea, but people come up with great ideas all the time. But as you can see, it makes it much easier to move around this polygel, and it's not even sticking to my brush. So you'll just put a dab of that base coat on your polygel and just make your life easier if you want to do polygel. So here's that color, A33. Next up is A34, and this is the last color in this kit. So one thing I did notice automatically is that this one seemed to have like an orange tint to it. So it was more of a neon type color. I instantly just thought of like 80s colors, neon colors, and it did have like a outlining of the bright orange. So I don't know if that makes any sense, but you guys can kind of see it as I'm swatching it, that in the middle of it, it's like a pink color, and then the outlining of it is kind of like a bright orange color, which was very interesting to me. I was not expecting that at all. And I really like that. That's a really nice color. And that's A34. That is the last color in this kit, you guys. So now I'm going to show you guys the top coat comparison, and I'm going to put it on the underside of my swatches because that is where I put the polygel. I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. And this is a no wipe top coat. As you can see, I'm just running my finger over that and it wasn't sticky at all. Here's before and after. I noticed a big difference. Let me know if you guys did. So here are those colors for you guys. Once again, before I head out, I really want to thank you guys for joining me for another review. Here's all that product that comes in this kit. Once again, that's the Makartt Pink Polygel kit. I personally feel like this is a great sample kit because those tubes are a little bit on the small side, but overall it is a great product. All right, thank you guys for joining me once again. And if you're not subscribed, remember to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. I'll see you guys on my next review.